August 13th, 2021. It's 12:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. I just wanted to do a quick little audio test. I'm experimenting with RTX Voice, which is NVIDIA's technology to use AI to eliminate background noise. I think it's only available on RTX cards, but I'm not positive. Anyway, so this is I'm not using it right now. This is just my regular microphone, but I'm going to go ahead and turn it on for a second and just let me know what you think. Hold on. Okay, so this is RTX Voice. My air conditioner is on right now, so I don't know if that'll be... It shouldn't be hearable, but I don't know. I'll wait and see the result. I don't know what to say. This is just a test, wondering how it sounds. And now I'm not sure if this will work in real time or not, but I'm gonna add room echo removal. Okay, I just enabled room echo removal in the NVIDIA broadcast app. I'm not sure if that works though, or if I'll have to close my recording software before it'll take effect, so I'm not positive if that changed. But yeah, so this theoretically is RTX Voice noise cancellation with room echo reduction. And now I'm going to go back to just my regular old recording sound. In a moment here. Okay, this is just my good old regular recording. So I'd really like to know, what you think. My video diaries, that's a big hobby of mine. I do video diaries just for myself every day, and I've been kind of unsatisfied with both the video and sound, so ultimately I think it would be a good idea for something that's such a big hobby that I do every day. Maybe I should get a better microphone and better camera if I'm not satisfied with how it is now. So maybe that'll be a good investment for me. Whatever you say is your favorite, whether you like my regular recording or RTX Voice on, I'm gonna make my own decision about how I record my video diaries, but when I record public videos like this one, maybe what you tell me will affect my decision on what audio I use when recording public videos. So that's all. Thanks for paying attention, and I'd appreciate your input. Take care.